Sanket. You can see me on the bike with Sanket, and we are actually going to put a top box for his bike. So this is a vlog basically about how you install a top box on a classic 350. So that is exactly what we're going to show you, and what all is required and how you can fit it. It is an ASG top box that we're going to fit on his bike.
So this is the ASG 45 liters top box. It comes in two variants, 35 liters and 45 liters. This is for 5000, the 45 liters ASG top box that Sanket has selected for his bike.
So we have made it to Raw. Yes, everyone has these pumpers now, the sanitizer pumpers. You can see that's Raw.
So let's go ahead and take a small tour of the store as we are here. Let's see what Raw has to offer. Well, Raw has a lot of products to offer. Please do come and check them out. They are very close to DN Nagar police station. I'll leave their address in the description. Come do check it out. I'll leave the owner's number as well. In case you want anything, you can always get in touch with them. They are very good in customer service, and they reply to every messages that you send. And of course, come back over here. Let them know that you are come from Mumbaikar Boys reference, and they'll work out a discount for you, definitely.
Sanket is already inside because he's going to select the box. Where is Sanket's box? So that's Sanket, and yes, that's his box. That's the ASG 45 liters. So that's Manish, who's going to actually give you a show around of the ASG 45 liters bag top case, which Sanket has currently bought. So Manish, over to you.
ये की से ऐसा आपको घुमाना है, फिर इसको ऐसा ऊपर खींचना है. ये डबल लॉक है, इसमें ये ऐसे खुलता है. और ये इसका जो है बैक प्लेट है बॉक्स का, बॉक्स इस पर फिट होगा आपका. और ये बॉक्स का लॉक है, मेन लॉक. बॉक्स इसमें लॉक होगा आपका. और एक मेन सेफ्टी चीज़ दिया हुआ है, बॉक्स के अंदर से आपको ये नॉब इसमें टाइप करना है प्लेट के ऊपर, तो आपका बॉक्स बबल नहीं करेगा.
और बॉक्स निकालने के लिए फिर वो निकालना पड़ेगा,
आपको निकालना पड़ेगा कंपलसरी है.
परफेक्ट.
और ये निकालने के बाद आपको ये बटन पुश करना है अंदर. बॉक्स निकालने के लिए ये बटन आपको पुश करना है, तो ही आपका बॉक्स निकलेगा. अदरवाइज बिना की के ये बॉक्स नहीं निकलेगा.
Okay, so this box does not come out without the key, the first point. The second point is you have a connector over there in between which goes right there. किधर है उसका connector, किधर है वो? So it goes right here. This is the screw. So this also enables the box not to come out from the plate that is on mounted on your bike. So this is a 45 liters box, and this is how it looks. So it has a double lock, as he said. That's the top lock to catch hold of the bike, the main lid, and this is for the bash plate. Correct, Manish?
हाँ, bash plate.
Perfect. So Manish is going to now go ahead and install it on Sanket's bike. Yes, Sanket's is a classic. You've seen it. We had that issue with his bike, and this is what we did with his bike because he had a backrest and we had to get it removed. So stay tuned and watch what exactly happened to his bike now.
So now we were on a hunt to actually find a grill shop, and we actually located it very close to Raw. The reason is because you can see he has a backrest which was coming in between when you place the plate that comes with the box, the ASG box. You get a plate to actually mount it onto the rail. So we had to get that off, of course, and we had to actually find a grinder to actually even smoothen the surface, so that when we place the plate, it is not not even, and it actually causes the box to look a little bit slant. So this is exactly what we were doing, and lucky that we found a grinding shop or a grill shop very close to the place.
So here we are with Sanket's bike now. So Manish is putting the bash plate. So that was the reason why we had to remove the backrest, is only because this plate has to fit there directly and nicely. So that is why it is actually done. So these are the fittings that come. This is basically the top box ka fitting, है ना?
हाँ, नीचे का fitting.
This is the lower one fitting. These are the screws and these are the nuts that come with it. So now let's go ahead and see how Manish actually installs this to the bike. So he's fitted those rods below, as you've seen. The nuts are on top, of course. The bolts are on top and the nuts are below. So this has to be aligned straight. So that's exactly what Manish was doing. The alignment, we were checking the alignment, and now he's going to tighten up the screws. So now what Manish is going to do is going to show us how the bag operates on the bike as well. So he's putting the key, so you open it to open the lock, and then press it from below to actually remove the entire box out. So you can see these are the three grooves that this bag has. This is for the main lock, so that goes right here, and these two holes adjusters go into this kind of a rising slot for the holders. So how you put the bag is what Manish is going to show us right now. So you actually slide them through the grooves right there and just put it down. You'll hear a click. That's exactly how easy it is to lock, and he has locked the box now. So that does not open without the key at all. He tried pushing it, but it will not open without the key. So let's go ahead and see how it looks on the bike right now. So Manish is going to screw the main holding unit for the box and the plate. So Manish can go ahead. Yeah, so without opening this, the box also will not come out. So in case you want to actually leave the box here and you're going for a breakfast ride and you want the box to be on this, it can still remain and nobody can remove it as well. So let me introduce you to Sanket, who's actually brought this top box. Sanket भाई, ये top box आपने क्यों लिया है?
लॉन्ग ड्राइव के लिए, और कभी कभार मैं जाता हूँ तो कुछ बैग तो कैरी करता नहीं, पहली बात तो वही है, और कुछ मम्मी ने ऑर्डर कर दिया, कुछ सामान ला लिया, तो कुछ बाइक पे लेके आना प्रॉब्लम होता है।
लेकिन ये आपको अच्छा लग रहा है। कितने में पड़ा ये आपको?
ये मुझे टॉप बॉक्स लगा 5000 में पड़ा,
विद ब्रैकेट एंड एवरीथिंग।
ब्रैकेट मेरा ऑलरेडी लगा हुआ था, तो मेरा ब्रैकेट का तो 2000 में मैंने ब्रैकेट लिया था, और मेरे को 5000 में ये मिला टॉप बॉक्स।
So you can see guys, it looks very nice. It complements the bike as well, and that is Sanket's bike. You will of course see it a lot in my vlogs because he rides with me, and you can see, please comment in the box below how you like this top box, And this is Mumbaikar Boy saying thank you and have a beautiful day ahead.